So the Xperia XA2 is out, and I had to get my hands on one. The previous Xperia XA1 didn't really impress me that much, but I'm really excited to see what has improved. Many of you were asking to review the XA1 Ultra, but I didn't have a chance to do it. So for the benefit of you guys, I will do a review for both the Xperia XA2 and XA2 Ultra. I paid $448 for the XA2 and $598 for the XA2 Ultra. Both phones feel slightly hefty but has a nice solid feel to it. Compared to the XA1, the current design is more angular and the chamfered edges more profound. Looking from the top or bottom, it's slightly curved as well. As for hardware, there are some main differences. 5.2 inches display, single 8MP front camera and 3300 mAh battery on the XA2, and 6 inches display, dual front 16MP and 8MP camera and 3580 mAh battery. It's puzzling why the battery capacity are nearly the same. The XA2 Ultra should pack even more with the large size. Other than that, both are running Snapdragon 630, Adreno 508, Bluetooth 5.0, fingerprint sensor and Type-C port. The XA2 also has 32GB of storage and 3GB of RAM, and the Ultra comes in 32 or 64GB of storage and 4GB of RAM. That's all for this video. Feel free to leave a like and be sure to subscribe to see the full review. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.